African Animals by Martha E. H. Rustad. Vast grasslands, thick rainforest, dry deserts, bushy waters, animals find homes in many African habitats. Tiny tsetse flies flit, enormous elephants ramble. Let's go on a safari around Africa. A safari is a trip to look at wild animals in their natural homes. Camels help people travel across wide deserts. A camel can live as long as 7 days without drinking water. Long eyelashes protect a camel's eyes from desert sand. It can close its nose, too. The savanna is full of grasses and small trees. These plants are food for herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Gazelles graze early in the morning. They get water from the plants that they eat. Impalas run fast and jump high to escape from enemies. They live in large herds of about 100. The variety of herbivores helps the savanna grasses grow. Each animal eats different grasses at different stages. Tall giraffes eat leaves from acacia trees. Their long tongues pull on the thorny plants. Adults eat up to 145 pounds of food each day. Giraffes must spread their front legs wide to reach water to drink. Elephants are herbivores too. Elephants have good memories. They must migrate to find food and water. They often visit the same places year after year. Thirsty elephants suck up water with their long trunks. Then they squirt it into their mouths. Elephants can hear each other up to 6 miles away. Elephants pull up grasses and leaves with their trunks. Adults eat as much as 220 pounds of food each day. A pride of lions lives together in the savanna. Prides have 1 or more males, about 10 females, and all of their cubs. Teams of females hunt zebras, antelopes, and wildebeests. The lions crouch behind plants and pounce on prey. The full cats doze in the grass after eating. Lions are carnivores. Carnivores hunt and eat animals. A leopard may carry prey into a tree to eat. It rests on a branch after a big meal. Jackals hunt at night. They sometimes follow prides of lions. Jackals eat the lion's leftovers. Spotted hyenas are not picky eaters. They scavenge food that other animals leave behind. Hyenas' sharp eyes see prey well at night. Their barks sound like laughter. Primates are a group of mammals including apes, monkeys, and humans. Many primates live in the rainforest. Tall trees and vines grow in this wet habitat. Gorillas are a type of ape. They live together in small groups. Gorillas eat leaves and fruit during the day. Every night they build a new nest for sleeping. Most monkeys have tails. Apes do not. Talapoin monkeys live in large groups. They climb trees and swim in rivers. They store food in their cheek pouches. Bush babies live in rainforest trees. They jump from tree to tree. At night, their big eyes watch for predators. Bush babies use their sharp teeth to poke holes in trees. They suck out a sticky liquid called gum. Bonobos groom each other's fur and pick out bugs. They sometimes groom and play with monkeys. They also climb trees to find fruit. Look up! Birds fill the skies over Africa. Many birds migrate there during winter. Other birds stay all year long. Ostriches run across the African savanna. They do not fly. They're too big. Ostriches grow as tall as 9 feet. Ostrich eggs are the biggest eggs in the world. Vultures find and eat dead animals. Vultures spot food from high above with sharp eyes. Their strong beaks rip the food apart. Colorful butterflies fly in the rainforest. Eyed pansy butterflies have bright orange spots on their wings. Dung beetles roll animal dung into balls. They lay eggs in the dung. Don't forget the bug spray on safari. Some insects make humans and animals sick. Mosquito bites can spread malaria. Bites from tiny tsetse flies can give humans and animals sleeping sickness. Reptiles live in Africa's rivers, deserts, and rainforests. Nile crocodiles lay in the sun on riverbanks. Their bodies grow up to 20 feet long. Only their eyes show when they float in the water. Splash! Crocodiles pull their prey underwater. Leopard tortoises can live as long as 100 years. They live in dry places. Their hard shells keep them safe from other animals. Watch out below for horned vipers. These snakes hide under desert sand. They surprise and bite their prey. Some rainforest snakes hide overhead. Green mambas hunt birds in tree branches. Amphibians live in water and on land. Red-banded rubber frogs hide all day on the savanna. At night, they eat ants and termites. They can even flip their sticky tongues behind their heads to catch prey. Hairy frogs grow extra skin near their legs. The skin looks like hair. It helps the frogs breathe. Salamanders live only in coastal parts of northern Africa. The sharp-ribbed salamander pushes poisonous spines out its sides to keep safe. Our last safari stop is underwater. More than 200 kinds of fish swim in Lake Victoria and the Nile River. The salty ocean water around Africa is home to many animals as well. Look in shallow ponds for African lungfish. They stay alive even if the pond dries up in the heat. Southern right whales migrate to Africa from Antarctica. They find food and safe places to have their young. People and animals must live together on this vast continent. Hunters sometimes kill animals for food or to stay safe, but wildlife parks protect animals. Many people travel to Africa every year to see animals. Thank you for coming on an African safari.